So you have asked me before, like, Ruth, why don't you turn channel memberships on YouTube so we can help you support you financially? I said, oh my God, that's so cool that you guys even ask. It's amazing. And I haven't done it. Like, yeah. But I've done it now. So I have turned on memberships. There is going to be one membership level. It's the coffee level, which basically means that you will keep me awake and happy to produce more videos for you. How about that? So it is going to be $5, €5, 50 crowns a month is basically the price of a coffee a month, not a Starbucks coffee, but a coffee. And you will get a few perks if you do. So one is the loyalty badges. So the loyalty badges are actually the different storage modes. So the longer you stay with me as a member, the higher your data storage will be. So you will see the badges here. And you will also get emojis. The emojis are meant for you to define yourself as, I'm a data beginner or I'm a data advanced person. There's actually 3 levels, but then there's a 4th level, which is Queso Cabrales level. So if you really, really enjoy Curbal channel, I think that's the one that you can pick, because who knows what Queso Cabrales is unless you've been with me for quite a long time, right? So you have that possibility. The other perks that you will get is obviously my gratitude for supporting my work. If this becomes a steady financial support for me, I will be able to do more videos, and I will be able to do, with Python, there's so much things that I could do. So if I can actually afford to spend more time with you doing that, I will definitely do it. You will also have access to members only live streams. So we will do once a month, and we will, at the beginning, I think, to doing them a little bit unscripted. And then we will decide the format together, see what fits and what not. The last one is it will give you access to challenges early. So for example, now I'm running the Python game. So you will be able to access all the bytes early. So as soon as I produce them, I will make them available for you, and you will see them in the channel. And it is a nice way for those of you that want to move faster and want to move with me to do it, right? And maybe on the live streams, we could actually discuss strategies for building the game and, build things together. That would be quite cool. So those are the options that you have to join the channel. You actually, down below, there's going to be a join button. If you don't see it on your mobile, maybe it doesn't support it, so go to the web and log in. You will see a join button, and you can join there, okay? You can cancel at any time. And for those of you that I'll be worried now, like, oh my God, what happens if I don't become a member? Am I going to miss on any videos? And you're not. It's just, for those of you that can support me, I will give you some perks early on. And for those of you that cannot, you will still see the content. It's just, it will come a little bit, on a scheduled pace like I always do. So you will see no difference at all. So I hope that you join me on this membership channel. I hope that you can support me. The more support I get, the more videos I can create, the higher the quality, maybe a higher frequency, we'll see. And thank you in advance. And I see you again on the next video.